Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Coinbase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set price alert on Coinbase. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open your Coinbase account. On the home page, tap the menu icon at the top left. Here, tap Profile and Settings and tap Notification Settings. Next, tap Price Alerts. Toggle on both push and in-app notifications. You will get notifications about price changes for the assets on your watch list. And that's how you set price alert on Coinbase. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.